Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with a GE washer flashing error code 05 in 2025, you're in the right place. This code typically signals a problem with the lid lock or door switch, which can halt your laundry routine. Don't panic. I'll guide you through simple fixes that could get your washer up and running in no time. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power source before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Check the lid. Make sure it's closing properly and isn't obstructed by clothes, detergent residue, or even a child lock that's accidentally engaged. Give it a thorough inspection. If it's not latching correctly, that could be the culprit. Next, Step 2. Clean the lid switch area. Over time, dirt and lint can build up, preventing the switch from engaging. Use a soft cloth and some mild soap to wipe away any grime, then dry it completely. Moving on to Step 3. Perform a reset. Sometimes, a simple reboot fixes electronic glitches. Unplug the washer for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and try running a cycle. If that doesn't work, Step 4. Test the lid lock mechanism. You might need to access the control panel. Refer to your washer's manual for specifics. Gently check if the lock is stuck or damaged. If you're comfortable, you can try manually actuating it, but if it feels off, it's time to call in a professional. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could indicate a more serious problem like a faulty control board or wiring. In that case, contact GE customer support or a certified technician. Remember, attempting complex repairs without expertise can void your warranty. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy washing!